up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're returning subby? So, y'all, today, your girl is going to be partnering up with MANEGANG, okay? And they sent me some units, so this is part 1 to my new series of inexpensive slays, okay? Again, budget friendly, we saving money this year, we doing big things. So your girl wanna help y'all do big things. So your girl's gonna show y'all how to save money and slay at the same time, okay? So the unit today that we're gonna be reviewing, her name is Juliet 32. She is in the color 1B. She is 32, baby. Y'all, don't judge this pimple because I don't know what's going on with my face. It's the mask. It's the mask. But 32 inches of beautiful slay, okay? She is Motown Tress. She is a curlable wig, high temperature fiber in the color 1B, like I said. She's safe to curl up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, y'all. She comes in the color 1B, 27,613, copper, honey mist, lilac, rose gold, sand, silver gray, 1099, J red wine, and blonde blush. So she giving you everything, okay, on the platter. So we're gonna go ahead and take her out so we can see her, and I'm so excited about her. So we're gonna go ahead and take her out of the packaging. She is packaged up tight, y'all, like a Christmas gift, ready to be opened to slay, okay? So this is how she is looking fresh out of the pack, guys. So she is beautiful and long, and she is giving me like a yaki texture. She's not like shiny like most synthetic wigs, so it's definitely a yaki texture to me. She is beautiful and long. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the paper off and then install her, y'all. The thing that I like about Bang units is not only is this one budget friendly, okay, long, but honey, it's a quick slay because we literally throw her on and go. So we're gonna get into the cap first, guys. So this is what her cap is looking like. It seems like she's big head friendly, but we'll see when I try her on because I have some dookie twists underneath this wig, y'all. So let's get into it. Now, I don't see, she doesn't have any combs, guys. So she doesn't come with any combs. The unit has no combs, and this is how she's looking. However, she does have an adjustable band. So I am definitely going to be using this because, like I said, I feel as if she is big head friendly. So I'm going to go ahead and just adjust the band before I put her on. So yeah, literally, I'm going to stay on this whole spiel, and y'all going to see me snatch this off. That's just thrown on. Like I said, I do have twists, so they're like pushed to the back, so my hair is not braided down super flat. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and place her on, guys. You have to adjust the back straps to your liking, and also the bangs. So I really don't want them to sit like on top of my eyelashes. So you're gonna adjust it to your liking and just give her a comb out, y'all, because like I said, she is throw on and go. Take her out the box and we just gonna slay her. Okay, so I'm gonna fix the bang, and you're gonna adjust the bangs to your liking. Some people like it to have that, like the French look going on. But yeah, I'm gonna stand up for you guys to see her in total. All right, and y'all don't mind my waist shaper because y'all, I saw a picture today and I'm like, I need to get my life together. So I'm just gonna comb her all the way out to the ends. I am 5'5", 5'6". So this is where she is on me, and I'm gonna have to kind of like adjust my camera so y'all can see me a little bit below my waist. Okay, so like I said, I am 5'5", so that is where she is sitting on me. Ooh, it's the back slay for me. If you like trying to go somewhere real nice and you was like, you know what, I feel like putting on a bang, I feel like looking real cute with a bang for the boys, so I'm gonna just throw on this wig. This is the one to throw on, okay? She is, I believe, under $20. I'm gonna make sure that I put the link to this unit in my bio. But yeah, y'all, she is everything. I'm loving her. So y'all let me know what you think. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving sis a 10. I'm truly giving her a 10 because she really slammed me. She is giving me a whole slay. So look, oh, it's the side. This is, I gotta take, not with the pimple, y'all. I gotta take a little side profile picture like this. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Make sure you stay tuned to parts 2, 3, and 4 to this series. We are saving money, saving money, saving. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.